Welcome. In front of me is Gateway GWNR71517 Ultra Slim laptop, and in this video I will show you how to pair a Bluetooth device to this laptop. So to do that, click on the three icons in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then to enable Bluetooth, click on this icon once to make it turn blue. Then expand the list of available devices, and right now put your device that you want to pair into pairing mode. I cannot tell you how exactly you are supposed to do this because this setting is unique for each device. So if you want to know how to put your device into pairing mode, you should check the instructions to your device. Then once you put it into pairing mode, wait until this device appears on the list of available devices. You can also click Show All Devices to see all the devices available in your area, and simply wait until the device appears. Now, when the device appears on the list, you have to simply click on it once, and this way you will connect to your device. And basically that's it. That's how you connect to a Bluetooth device with your laptop. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.